This is Ron. I'm the 5 Minute Gardener. A couple weeks ago, I posted a thing about how to easily chop a banana down using a shovel. In the meantime, I had a question. Somebody was asking, said they bought a banana, wondering how tall it gets. Well, my favorite horticultural response to any question is always, it depends. It depends on the variety. Hundreds of different varieties of bananas, and they will range anywhere from this one, which is called Cumanamba, and it's considered a dwarf. The trunks will get, what is that? I don't know, about maybe 10 feet tall. And there are others that go well over 20. There's some other ways to keep bananas too. It's getting to be an overgrown clump of bananas, and when they start getting this big, they start to become unmanageable. It's great, it's tropical looking, but it's a mess right now. All the dead leaves are easily removed. You have to get up high on a ladder, sharp pair of pruners to cut those free, and that cleans them up, makes them look great. But one of the things I had learned years ago, one of the best ways to keep banana plants is down to 3 or 4 canes or trunks per clump of bananas. And I use the word trunk sort of in air quotes, because these are not really trees. This is not really a tree trunk. What this is a series of leaves wrapped one around the other from the center out. The oldest leaves on the outside, the newest leaves in the center, and that's all these are. It's a big monocot plant. So the best way to do this is to keep these one cane becoming ready to bear fruit, and then 2 or 3 more canes progressively smaller, a small one and then an intermediate size, and maybe the next intermediate size here. They're actually fairly easy to keep cleaned out. You need to dig down around them and break these side shoots off. They'll pop off with a shovel relatively easily. You can pass them along to a friend. You can put them in a container, root them up, sell them on Craigslist for 20, 25 bucks a piece once they get going. It's kind of a neat income. But anyway, that makes it a lot easier to keep these manageable with less canes, and more space in between them. All right, so anyway, I'll post this, and we'll see y'all next time.